Dr. Sri Ganesh, founder of NHPL and chief founding trustee of Shraddha Eye Care Trust.
Welcome to Netradama and this event today. We are having this event through Netradama Hospitals Private Limited, Shraddha Eye Care Trust and Kaushika Foundation, and it has been sponsored by Sun Pharma. This month is June is known as the Cataract Awareness Month because cataract is one of the leading causes of blindness in the world. ಹಿಂದಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋತಿ ಬಿಂದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಪೊರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಪೊರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಪೊರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಫಿಲಿಮ್ ಥರ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಅದು ಮಿಸ್ಕನ್ಸೆಪ್ಷನ್. ಆದರೆ ಪೊರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಕಣ್ಣು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲೈನ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಮೊಬ್ಬಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಯಸ್ಸಾದಂಗೂ ಮೊಬ್ಬಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ.
So through this surgery, and I was out in 5 minutes from the operation theatre, and just a monthly visit and regular checkup, annual checkup, I think I can see the world much more clearly. Dr. Sri Ganesh mentioned about the support that Kaushika has been giving to the hospital, the charitable hospital supported by Netradama, that is Shraddha Eye Center. I would just like to say that we at Kaushika do not see this as a service that is being done by us or a help being given by us to the society. We think it is a privilege that has been given to us.
So, English. Good morning. I am Dr. Sri Ganesh, Chairman and Managing Director of Netradama Super Speciality Eye Hospital and Managing Trustee of Shraddha Eye Care Trust. Today we are pleased to tell you that we are conducting a cataract awareness campaign through a cyclothon. Through cycling, we are conducting awareness for the public about cataract. June is the Cataract Awareness Month. Cataract is the commonest cause of blindness after 50 years. Almost 66% of the blindness in India is because of cataract. It's a reversible blindness which can be solved by a 5 to 15 minute simple operation where we just put drops and do it. The technology is very advanced today. We have laser cataract surgery, we have micro-incision cataract surgery and phacoemulsification, where through a painless 10 to 15 minute surgery, your vision can be restored. We also have premium intraocular lenses like trifocal lenses, extended depth of field lenses, where you don't have to wear glasses after cataract surgery. Power also is corrected and your quality of vision improves, quality of life improves. So if you have any blurring of vision, please visit your ophthalmologist, get a thorough checkup, and cataract has to be treated early.
Okay, thank you, sir.
ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಕೆಲವು ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯಿಯ ಗರ್ಭದಿಂದನೇ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ಸು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ತುಂಬ ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲೆಲ್ಲ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಡಯಾಬಿಟೀಸು ಅದೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಬೇಗ ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೂ 40 ವರ್ಷ ಥರನೂ ಬರಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ 50-55 ವರ್ಷದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಪೊರೆ ರೋಗದ ಒಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಂದು ಕಣ್ಣು ವಿಷನ್ನು ಬ್ಲರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೈಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚದರ್ದಂಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಲೈಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ನೋಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆಗ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.